Ever wonder why some people crush it while the rest stay stuck? It's not just luck or talent. High achievers have a secret. They've hacked their brain to perform on a different level. Here's how you can do it too, starting today. Section 1. The mental hack. Most people miss. Here's the truth. Your brain is wired for survival, not success. That means it avoids discomfort, risk, and change. But high achievers, they've learned to trick their brain into chasing those very things. They use mental reframing, a tool from cognitive behavioral science. Instead of seeing stress as a threat, they label it as fuel. Instead of fearing failure, they program their mind to see it as feedback. That workout pain? Progress. That rejection email? Data. That early morning? A competitive edge. It's all perspective, and high performers control the narrative. Section 2. The power of identity loops. Your brain is obsessed with being consistent with who you believe you are. So here's what high achievers do. They don't just set goals, they adopt identities. A top performer doesn't say, "I want to run a marathon." They say, "I'm the kind of person who never skips training." That subtle shift creates powerful momentum. Section 3. Dopamine on demand. Here's a trick most people overlook. Dopamine isn't just about pleasure, it's about pursuit. High achievers don't wait for motivation. They create it by celebrating small wins. Checklist being ticked off, someone journaling daily wins. Athlete fist pumping after a set. Every small action that aligns with your goal is a dopamine hit. Finished a chapter? Win. Showed up on time? Win. This rewires the brain to crave the process, not just the result. Section 4. Visualization plus emotion equals brain code. Visualization alone is weak. But when you add emotion, your brain thinks it's real. Michael Phelps visualizing races, Oprah journaling, Kobe Bryant meditating. High achievers mentally feel the win before it happens. They don't just see success. They feel the joy, the pride, the confidence. That emotional signal carves deeper neural pathways. Final framework recap. So how do high achievers trick their brains? They reframe pain as progress. They shift identity before behavior. They build dopamine loops with tiny wins. They visualize with emotion to hardwire success. Your brain is programmable. The question is, are you letting it run default settings or are you writing the code? If this helped unlock something in you, hit that like button. Subscribe for more science-backed strategies the top 1% use daily. And comment below, what's one way you're going to trick your brain this week?